All right, this is my first collector's edition PS5 game. This is Mortal Shell, a game that I really enjoyed on the PS4. As a matter of fact, this is my copy for the PS4, and I also have it digitally on my PS4. I bought this game 3 times. That's just to tell you how much I love this game. So the Souls games are really my favorite type of games. I love the 3 Dark Souls games. Bloodborne is my favorite game of all time. I have a lot of collectible for that game. I have the 2 manuals for Bloodborne. So yeah, I'm a big fan of Souls games and Souls-like games, and this is really, I think I can say this is my favorite Souls-like game. This is made by Cold Symmetry, and they did a fantastic job with this. So they released this deluxe set, and it has a PS5 version on it. For anyone who has the PS4 version, what they did is they offered a free upgrade for anyone who has a PS5 with like 4K textures, I think, and it looks great, and I really recommend anybody who has the PS4 version to try it out, of course, if they have a PS5. All right, let me show you all the sides. Come on, focus. Here we go. Here we go. So this has a couple of nice things. A reversible cover, big fan of that. Postcards, art book. This game has phenomenal art. So yeah, let's open this up and see what's inside. Let's try not to scratch the box. I like to keep my collector's edition in nice mint condition. Sorry there, wasn't in front of the camera. All right, come on. All right, so I hate it, but you have to have this little crease here. I don't like to just like stick something, because I know the trick where you just have to put something in here so that you don't have this crease here. You can try it, but yeah, here you go. Yeah, see, I'm starting to tear it, so I'm just gonna open it like that. All right. Here we go. So here we have the game. Pretty nice. Let me show you a comparison with the PS4 version. Here we go. So this is the enhanced edition. This one was nice too. It had a manual, and I think this is a poster. Yeah, so this is pretty cool. And might as well show you this little art book. Very nice. Like I said, they did an amazing job with this game. It's really good. This is a PS4 version. Oh, shell. Let's open this up. Their flesh is your armor. Says the same thing. So you can see here, it's 60 FPS, enhanced textures, and 4K. Sorry, it's not in focus. So yeah, I don't have a 4K monitor yet. Not a monitor, but a TV. But you know, I recently bought a PS5, so I didn't even think I would be able to get one. But now that I have one, I'm on the market for a new TV, so I can enjoy 4K on the PS5. Oh, so here we have CD. It's not loose, which is a good thing. PS4 games disc was always loose. So those are, I guess they are the postcards, or yeah, those are the postcards. Really nice. I really do enjoy those. I have other collector's editions up there. Maybe I'll show you one day. But yeah, I really enjoy those little collectibles. Very nice. And let's see what this reversible cover is. Oh wow, this is really nice. I think I enjoyed this one more than this one. So let's here we go. So here we go. This is a reversible cover. Really nice. Wow. So I don't know the names of all the shells, but this is a different one. Man, I don't remember. It's been a long time since I've played this game, but yeah. You don't have armor in this game. You have shells, like 4 different types of shells, and they all have different characteristics. And like this one is fast, and well, I'm not getting into a review, but it's not your typical Souls game. It's yeah, it's really good. So yeah, let's put this aside, and wow, this is thick. Wow, look at that. Wow. Sorry, I was not expecting that. This is really, really great. Wow. Art book. Oh wow. 4 from the studio founders. Oh wow, this is great. I'm gonna read through this for sure. Wow, this is cool. Sorry. Yeah. Sister Janessa. Yeah, I remember. Oh yeah, those were really hard to defeat. I don't know their names. I don't remember. I'm sorry. I'm a big fan of this game, but I don't remember a lot. I do remember that it's a really great gameplay. And I think there's a DLC, or some other stuff. I don't remember. Deep upgrades, bass, blah blah blah. Yeah, but probably includes like all the DLCs that you could buy for the PS4. But yeah, this is really, really great. So once again, let me put this all in the frame so you can see what you get with this deluxe set. So this is actually pretty cheap. I was surprised. I'm looking for my phone, but it's my it's with what what I'm filming with. But I think it was like 50 bucks Canadian, maybe 40 US. I'm sorry, I'm gonna put it on the screen right now. But totally worth it. I mean, this is a game that I would have paid like 70 bucks for. Yeah, they deserve all the praise that they are getting for this game. I think it won some awards, and totally deserved. All right, so this was the unboxing of Mortal Shell Enhanced Edition, the deluxe set for the PS5. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.